Hello, this is Will Bridges from your team here at Trade House Funds, and this video is going to show you how to install the MT4 platform, and you can do that directly from the email that you get from us right after you make the purchase. Your login details, everything like that, your password, all of that is in this email. So once you get MT4 downloaded, you will need to use the password that is in this email. I've got it, blurred out here. Your exact stuff for your server, everything that you need to actually get in is here in this email. And if you want to go ahead and download the platform, you can click to do that here. This will come to the email that you used to sign up, and it will say, welcome to Trade House Funds from support at tradehousefunds.com. So if you search in your email for an email from support at tradehousefunds.com, you should be able to find us pretty quickly. Once you click here, your computer is going to say, hey, let's download MT4. Here comes this page. It'll look a little bit different because I'm sharing part of the screen here, but I'm going to go ahead and click on download MT4 because that's what I need right now. And now the download is starting for me. So let's go ahead and find this window. It should be, it will download to the browser. So once I've downloaded to the browser, I can go ahead and click on this Torex setup here. I'll pull this over so you can see what I've got. I'm going to click yes. I want to allow this to make changes to my computer. And then I get a setup tool like this one here to install the platform itself. I click on next. And this should just take a quick second. Once the platform is installed, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and log in. And this should just take one quick second. It says, congratulations, we're waiting for you. I'm going to click finish, and I think it should just open as soon as that happens. I do not need to register for MQL5. This is a community for the platform itself. MT4 is an extremely old software. When I say old, it means it's stable, it's popular, it's been around for a long time. That's what I mean by old in reference to trading. And I'm going to just pop up on my other screen. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this over so that you guys can see what I'm looking at. And I have this, I'm going to close out this MQL5. This is what I did have pop up. I do have the actual platform open as well. It is saying open an account. And in my email I had, this is Torex demo is what my actual, from the information I got from the email when I signed up, this is where this server name is. And I'm just going to select the proper server that matches up with my account information. And I'm going to go ahead and log into an existing trading account. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull my login and password information. And I'm going to paste it in here into the platform. Here we go. Here's my login. And let's get my password real quick if I can get back to my email here. I like to copy paste here because they are complex passwords. I can click save so I don't have to type it in anymore. I click finish. And now I'll pull up the platform itself. This is what it looks like. Let me make this full screen on here so you can see this whole thing. Okay, so now that we've got this open, we are connected, and you can see that down here. It would say invalid account if I had the wrong password, something of that effect. But my account numbers, all that stuff. Account number is top left, and my server that I'm logged into is also top left in this window here. So if I want to add symbols, then the first thing I need to do is, well, this is to add a chart if I want to create a chart, but not every symbol may be enabled immediately. So if I want to add more symbols, then I need to go to View and then click on Symbols. And once I bring up this menu, I need to go ahead and click on the ones that I want to show that are not. So if this is grayed out, then I can click on it. Now that one is available. I can do the same thing with all of these other Forex symbols if I want to. There's exotic symbols in here as well, and this is going to be more exotic currencies, commodities too. So if I want to add the ability to be able to trade something like US oil, I double click on it here, copper, sugar, whatever it is that I want to trade, coffee, cocoa, cotton, gasoline. If I want to come down to commodities too, there's more of them to choose from. Natural gas is very popular as well. Crypto, there's a good number of them to choose from here in MetaTrader 4. So if you are interested in trading crypto, you come here, you double click on one of these grayed out symbols if it's the one you want to trade. Same thing goes for metals like gold as well as platinum and palladium. There are more metals, so silver as well, and indices below. This is where you get to see all the stock indices. So we do have the Australian, Chinese, German, Spanish, European, France. This is the German 40 is actually is the DE 40 up here. This is probably the most popular one on here that isn't the US 100 or the US 30 or the US 500. If you come to the live session with me on Thursday or Friday, you'll get to see me play some trades in here. But the Market Watch tool, you can flip through all these things, open up many charts. If you want to, reorganize the charts, you click this window pane button. You can always organize them differently if you like, but it'll go ahead and fit them all in there immediately for you. If you do have an EA or an expert advisor, you do need to have auto trading turned on. That is something that you will need to get support from whoever you purchased your EA from, or if you built it yourself, then you probably, let's just say you don't necessarily need as much help. But that is up to you how you run that and the results that you get with it. But I do appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. I hope you guys got a few answers from here. And if there are more questions, I'd love to see some comments in the section below this video so that we can, create the resources that you need to feel comfortable. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. One more quick update. I want to make sure people understand that this waiting for an update that's happening is just a simple issue. If you close out this window and you open up a new one, say for something else, say you want to open up a chart for, the dollar Swiss, it'll open right up. You just have to choose something that is available in the platform. So I hope that answers that question. If you did have that issue, thanks again. This is Will Bridges from your team at Trade House Funds.